Hey friends, today I will explain how we'll earn from sell products through TikTok Shopping. TikTok Shop has an e-commerce solution built right into the TikTok app. There is no need to open a separate browser to shop for a product because you can purchase directly through TikTok. Creators can use TikTok Shop to reach a wider audience and promote their brands and products. Creators can also easily link to products featured in their videos. In addition, there is an opportunity to earn through TikTok Affiliate. You can use the affiliate program to promote brands that are relevant to your followers and then earn a commission on any sales you make. If you want, make money from sell products through TikTok Shopping, then create an account and earn money every month. Possible earning unlimited every month. If you love me, then follow and subscribe my account. Thank you.